$10,000 Google grants. Yes, you heard me. And you know, when I say grants on this channel, I mean money you are not paying back. I mean that money that you need to buy inventory, to run ads, to hire somebody so you don't kill yourself as a one-man show. On this channel, all we talk about is how to make money, how to increase our money, how to start a business, how to make profit, right? How to reduce loss on this channel. So if you're watching, keep watching. Stay tuned because I'm about to give you the game of the $10,000 business grants that you can get for your organization today. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Cover me. Cover me cute now. I got the juice now. The radiance, the modesty, it's everything. Honestly, all the things that point to a woman of quality, the true essence of my beauty. That's why they follow me. They want to get a look like this. Yeah, probably. Cover me cute.
Hello everyone, my name is Idayat. I'm the owner and the creative designer of Cover Me Cute. At Cover Me Cute, we help women like you to save time and boost self-confidence by designing show-stopping, size-inclusive, high-quality modest fashion that you might be looking at behind me. But today we're not talking about modern fashion. If you want to check me out, you can check over here at my website at covermecute.com. We'll keep you covered, cute, and comfortable. But you know, for every business needs money, needs cash flow. And can we just be honest? Can you keep it 100? The sales you make 9 times out of 10 won't be enough to sustain your business. Sometimes you need money, like business grants, like business loans. But on this channel, I like to focus on business grants. You know why? It is the money that you get that you don't have to pay back. It's free money that rich organizations and rich people are giving to you to increase your own wealth. Yes. So today we are talking about the Google $1,000 business grant. This grant is for nonprofit organizations. Yes, nonprofit organizations only. What can you use this grant for? Well, Google said you can use this grant to run Google ads, to run campaigns for your business. You know, it doesn't matter how quality your business is. Your marketing power is 90% of whether your business is going to grow or your business is going to crash. Okay, so you know, every day when you're posting on your social media platform, that is your advertisement when you don't have money to run ads. But when you have been posting organically, and this is a cheat sheet, when you've been posting organically on your platforms, on your social media platforms, like I post on the Cover Me Cute every day, 3 times a day, you will have content that is already doing well organically. This kind of content, if you put them together and you run an ad, they will do well because they're already tested. You already have data that has shown that this is the kind of content that people love to see. Well, this is where Google wants to help you. For your nonprofit organization, they want to help you run text-based ads on Google, right? If you win. Application process is always very simple, but I'll say before you go to the application process, read the eligibility. Are you eligible to apply? Don't waste your time. I know some grant writers will say apply anyways, which is fine. But for me, I don't want you wasting your time. I want you to apply for the grants that you are eligible for. Because guess what? There are so many grants out there. And if you're applying for the ones you're not eligible for, what it happens is immediately they drop you off because they don't want you to waste their time, right? But you already took time, maybe 3 to 10 minutes to fill out this application, because our applications are usually 2 points. They don't want to risk the whole story. They don't want to read your history. They want you to go straight to the point. What problem are you solving? Why are you the solution? How can people find you? What are you going to use the grant for? Bam, 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 bam. That's all they want to hear. So make sure you're reading about why they started this organization, right? Make sure you're reading the eligibility. Make sure you are reading what you need to gather together. Sometimes they ask for videos. I don't think this one specifically asked for videos, but sometimes they ask for videos. So make sure you have everything in place before you run the grant. But you know, I've won 7 grants myself, thousands and thousands of dollars in grants. To be honest, if I didn't win all the grants that I won, I might not have a business up to today, right? I might not have that storefront today. I will not have the storefront today. That's just keeping it 100. This is why I'm telling you all, grab this free money. This free money is there for you to be won. Some of these grant opportunities are out there and people don't apply and they end up scrapping the grant opportunity because they are not getting qualified applications. You need to apply so we can keep getting this free money. But if you think you're going to need extra help, guess what? I got you. Because in my comment section, you guys are all, I need. So you are a business owner, or maybe you're an aspiring business owner. You have a business idea, you want to bring it to life, or you already have a business, but you're struggling. You're not getting consistent sales. You are not getting daily sales. You're marketing, or maybe you don't know how to market right. You need somebody to guide you through step by step, hold your hand, and help you get to your success goal to this year. This year in 2025 is going to be different because you're going to do it differently. Because if you're expecting a different result and you're doing it the same way every time, that means you are out of your mind. But if you want to see different results, you need to join the 90-day mentorship program. How can you join the 90-day mentorship program? The first thing you need to do is to join my calendar. I'll have my calendar link below. So we can have a free 15 minutes consultation call to see if I'm the good fit for you and if you're a good fit for me. Because I cannot work with anybody. But if you know you have the zeal, you have the energy, and you are willing to put in the work, the 90-day mentorship program is for you, females only. And I can't wait to see you inside. Assalamu alaikum. Need more help. Idayat, I need more help. How did you win these grants? How come you got thousands of dollars that you don't need to pay back? Well, I created a secret. I put in, it is a secret. The secret of how I've won multiple grants. I won 7 grants in like 8 months last year. Back to back to back to back. I also won pitch competitions. There are very specific things that you need to know to start winning grants. How could I do it? How could I do it on rinse and repeat? Because I believe that I cracked the code. Now I'm giving you my blueprint, the secrets to grant winning, and I put everything in an ebook. So you can get it. The link is going to be in my bio. It's going to be somewhere around in the caption. But so you can get it. Don't skip the pages. It's very detailed. All the hidden secrets are on the pages that you are going to skip. Okay? Make sure you read and you take notes. But the bonus is when you get that ebook, you also get a free 6-week mentorship. So you are not just getting the ebook, you are getting group mentorship in our WhatsApp group where you can ask questions, and we're going to be having a masterclass every month where we are going to be applying for grants together. Because don't think I don't apply for grants. So a lot of times before I send you the grants, before I post this grant, before I give you the information, I've already applied. And sometimes I've not, but I want to share it so I can hold myself accountable for applying. So when you come into our grant mastering group, girl, hands-on, question, answer, holding your hand to make sure you win at least 1 grant before the 6 weeks. And if you don't, you're going to have all the information that you can take to win those grants. So like I said, if you're looking for the secrets of the secrets of grant winning secrets is the name of my ebook. It's going to be in the comment. It's also going to be in the link in my bio. Grab it so you just only don't get the ebook, which I feel like it's way more value, because when you get these grants, you're going to be winning thousands and thousands, if not millions of dollars. Yes, people do win millions of dollars in grants, business funding. The money that I'm asking for is just a stipend compared to what you can make with this ebook. And now I'm giving you the opportunity to compete against me, because all the grants that you'll be applying for, me too, I'll be applying for it. But guess what? I want to help you. I want to give you the blueprint. So look for the ebook. Make sure you get the ebook, download it, and join us in our WhatsApp group. If you're just starting up in your business and you think you need one-on-one business coaching to start or to scale your business to the next level, also I have my email below. Don't hesitate to email me. I still have a couple of slots left for my one-on-one 90-day mentorship program. So either or you can choose, but don't forget, if you're a nonprofit organization, hurry, because I know the application is about to close soon. Hurry and go and apply for the $10,000 Google grant money now, not tomorrow. And don't forget to subscribe, because I haven't even talked about the subscription. I'm giving you a free game. I go out of my way to look for these grants, not just for myself now, but to share it with you guys so you can go straight ahead and apply, so you don't have to go through all the resource phase like I do. I've done all the research for you. I gathered all the resources. Now I'm giving you the free game. And I'm not those kind of lady, not those kind of coaches that say, oh, go do this, go do this. They've never done it before. I've done so many grants applications. I've won so many grants that I want you to do the same, because this is free money. This is halal money. You don't have to pay back. And I can't wait to see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's
The
go.
modesty is everything. Honestly, all the things that point